A question that I'm often asked is how I taught my university and how I got the state first rank. Most people presume that I locked myself in my room and divested myself of all fun-filled interludes. Nothing could be further from the truth. Even before I delve into what one needs to do in order to excel at education, let's look at what students usually do in most schools and colleges. They while away their time during the academic year and at best render some erratic and perfunctory reading once in a while. At the 11th hour, just before the exams, they run from pillar to post, garnering important questions, mugging up answers, and burning the midnight oil. In so doing, the total hours of study they put into their preparation is barely 100 hours in the entire year. At the end, they get average grades and forget whatever they had mugged up. Finally, the very purpose of education itself is defeated. Now, let's look at what I did. The three factors that helped me emerge successful were discipline, planning, and consistency. I slept at 10 p.m. and woke up at 4:30 a.m. every day. I planned my study. For instance, if my textbook had 300 pages and I planned to finish them in 30 days, I made sure that I finished my quota of 10 pages every day. I would study for 2 hours in the morning, that is from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., and for another 2 hours sometime during the rest of the day. Of course, exceptions did exist, but this was a lifestyle which I had practiced almost every single day, irrespective of whether it was a Sunday or a public holiday. It goes without saying that there were obviously way more than 4 hours of study per day during exams and holidays. As a result, I spent more than 1400 hours of study in a year. I never mugged up answers, but I spent time in gaining clarity of concepts. I ensured that I understood what I studied. So, if you want to excel at education, ensure that you are, number one, disciplined in your lifestyle. Number two, methodical in your approach. And number three, consistent in your study. Also ensure that you're able to relate to what you're learning. All the best. If you found this video beneficial and you wish to listen to more of such content, please do like and subscribe. Kindly do share it with others so they may benefit as well.